the frogs. They're just living in the water. Alright, you guys, have a good night. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Alright. This shows that when in our lives, when, oh, look at this one. Hi. You guys, should we take one home? Look at this. There's a frog there. This shows us that when we're in a situation in our lives and we are a frog, God gave us the 4 legs to actually jump. So if God gives you 4 legs to jump and you have to get away, you just jump. God bless you, sinners. Remember, God made the frogs. He made you too. He loves you. Look at this one. Look at this.